should we create animation again? Software, I have only these diagrams available right now. So,
Okay, sir.
yes, makes sense.
Sir, can we change the pattern of the animation?
So I'm not sure. I have also researched about animation before this presentation. I have not used animation before that in any of my presentation. This is first time I am preparing this animation. So what I did here, you know that. Yes, so H is one parameter. I'm increasing the parameter and I have couple of diagrams now. The name of the diagrams should be same. If you have different diagram, then we will get different animation. But actually I have created this only 15 diagrams for this presentation, for today's presentation.
So, sir, right now you have done like 1, 2, 3, 4. If we start from 15, 14, 13, so will it go from backward?
Yep, try that one. Yes, sure, it will work. 15 to 1. So let us run. Before running, our PDF file should be closed, otherwise it will not run. The difference should be only the numbering.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yep. So this is animate graphics, autoplay and loop. If I remove the word loop, so let us see what happens. You can observe what will happen. Let us see. Run. And let us open it. PDF. Now it is not repeated. You know that loop is not complete now. So only one time it will show the animation, but animation is not repeated. So this means we need to write loop here. And let us run.
Hello, sir. Hello.
And let us run it again.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, will this only work in the PDF format? Will it? This will not be working in the PPT.
Could you repeat your question?
Sir, this animation can only be worked in the PDF format or can be done in the PPT also?
So this is the PDF of the PowerPoint presentation. So in the PDF, it appears in the PDF file. So this is the PDF. I don't know it will appear in actually in this file. You know that this is blank. What is my routine file? That is blank. We need to open the PDF file. And this is a PDF file. And so this work well. You can change the slides. But it will appear in the PDF file. So do I discuss the next thing now?
Sir,
Sir,
what if we remove the autoplay? Can we put some play button or like that?
it will not work without autoplay. Let us try it. It's not working. So it is autoplay. Autoplay. Now it work. And here it represents the speed. We can still increase the speed of the animation. You can still increase the speed of the animation. So let us open it. This will increase the speed of the animation. All good. So now what should be the next? Next is only references, how to include the reference. So begin frame and end frame. So begin frame, end frame. So here title is reference. References. So here I will write bibliography. So my reference file is bib file. I will copy it from the other folder. You know how to create the bib file, or so this is my reference file. This is bib text base file. I will copy it and paste into my new folder here. The name of the reference file is ref, so I will write here ref. Now this command will not work because in the preamble we need to create the environment for the references. For that one, I forgot to be API side, use package, use package, right? And next will be bibliography style. Bibliography style. Bibliography style, again I will write APA side. So I am using APA referencing, APA format referencing, APA 7. And then next we will use NetBib. Next, and anything use package NetBib. Let us write use package. Use package NetBib. Use package is a mistake. Use package NetBib. Let us try to run it. I need to call the references. For that one, I will create begin frame, and end frame. So I need some data here. I will copy the data here. Begin frame, end frame. So this is all the references. I will copy and paste here to save the time. So I will call so many references, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think there are 10 references maybe. So let us see it work. So this is the content which is used for the references, and these are the references. Now you can see there is only one slide for the reference. There are only 3 references, but there are actually 10 references, approximately 10 references. So what we will do here we need to break the slide. So here we will allow frame break. Allow frame breaks. Now it will break the frame. So not working, allow frame break. Allow frame breaks.
Sorry to interrupt in between, sir.
Yep.
Sir, as we have a next session aligned for today, so sir, you
Yeah.
kindly requested to please wrap the session.
Yep. Only 2-3 minutes more. So I'm hoping.
Sir, I guess it's taking in the text format also. It's coming in the PDF. Allow frame breaks.
So let us run again.
Sir,
Now. Yep.
sir, could you please share all these programs, if possible, for practice?
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Sure. So next, we don't have the time. We can use DOI package to the references will be colored. So I think sufficient. What is the requirement? Maybe it would be helpful for you. I will wrap up my session. 1 minute. I will close all the things. Close it, all the things.
Sir,
Yep. So thank you very much. Yep. Sure.
sir, can you please repeat once more the packages used for including the references?
Could you repeat again?
So can you please repeat those packages used for including the references?
Package used for the references. All good. I will show you. Can you see my screen or not?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yes. For the references, use package APA site. Bibliographic style is also APA site and use package NetBib. So this is the package used. And next we can use DOI package and we can call the links also. So it will look more beautiful or professional references. But we don't have the time now. Apologize. However, I can share the PPT. My PPT
Thank you,
I
sir.
will share with you. You can have a look. I will just now I will share you the PPT that I created for this presentation. You can see the links like will red color. You can change the color, maybe blue color for the link or the red colors. So the name of the author will appear in the blue color. So all good. So I will share this PPT. All the
text file, please.
yeah.
Please share text file also. So can I practice on
Yes, sure. I will share the text file. I will share the text file. I will share the folder.
Thank you, sir, for that insightful session. It was really amazing, and I am very sure that the participants enjoyed it and were able to learn many new things. Now, I would request the participants to ask one by one any queries if you have by raising your hands or typing in the chat section. Anyone, if you have any queries, then please ask to sir.
I will share the folder and you can share with all the participants. And thank you very much, dear participants. You are great learners and you've given me opportunity to work on Beamer. And I also learned so many things while working on this Beamer presentation. Thank you very much, Kumar sir. I'm grateful to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, for delivering a nice lecture. Really, this topic Beamer presentation is too much important because suppose if we are writing the paper in LaTeX and we want to write or we want to develop the PPT, then if we use the PowerPoint presentation, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, then it's really a tedious task. So someone who is having already material in the latter is the great option. So
Yeah.
thank you. You have delivered interactive manner. So thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, all of you. Bye bye.
Yeah. So now we are going to start our next session, and this session is ended by Dr. Govind Prasad Sahu, and he is already with us. So I request. Yeah. Sivan, it is over to you.
Moving further to the last session of this exciting and delightful lecture series, I would like to invite Dr. Govind Sahu. Dr. Govind Prasad Sahu is an assistant professor at the Center of Basic Science, Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Before this appointment, he worked as an assistant professor at Government Badri Prasad Lodi PG College, Raipur. He earned his PhD in mathematical ecology from ABV IIIT Gwalior with a thesis focused on infection disease dynamic with control studies, incorporation, vaccination, quarantine, isolation, and media awareness. He also holds an MPhil in mathematical ecology from Jivaji University, Gwalior, and MSc in mathematics and BSc in computer science, both from Government College of School, Raipur. His research span mathematical modeling in ecological system and environmental dynamic. He has published 15 research papers, notably on COVID-19 dynamic, epidemic control strategy, and logical model involving forestation and mosquito. He has supervised two PhD students master dissertation, technically skillful in MATLAB, Mathematica, Python, R, and LaTeX. Dr. Chow continued to contribute actively to interdisciplinary research and higher education. May I now have Dr. Govind Prasad to give us insight into the topic bibliography and citation. It is over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Priya, for your nice introductions. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just hold 1 minute.
Sir, kindly unmute yourself. Your voice is not audible.
Okay, just a minute. Just a minute, please.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, let me share my contents. Okay, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
So, very good afternoon to all the participants, and uh, thank you, Dr. Kumar Singh Mathur, for today's workshop on LaTeX technical writing at JNU. So, in the last session, I'm going to share with you the contents related to the bibliography and citation in LaTeX. So, I will try more interactive rather than in a lecture style presentations. So, first of all, we need to understand the importance. We need bibliography or the citations. So, actually, we need to understand the importance. Then only can better understand the importance. So, first of all, academic integrity, actually, by which we can give credit to the original um, authors, verifiably chat later we can verify the resources and scholarly conversations. So whatever we are claiming or we are saying, that put in actually weightage, and obviously the plagiarism preventions also to avoid academic misconduct. So to meet all these purposes, we need to use bibliography properly. So if we talk in terms of the LaTeX citations tools, so there are so many tools in LaTeX we can use. So before moving into the tool itself, let us understand what is actually what type of things we are required to create citations in a typical LaTeX document. So what usually we do in say, let us Word document, we have a list of references. It may contain research articles, bookshelves, or URL, whatever. So then we normally actually manage it manually, although nowadays there are tools available for Word, Microsoft Word also, like Mendeley, etc. But when we are using the typically LaTeX document, we need to create certain database first of all. So we do the things in phases. So, as I told, I will make it more interactive. So to make it, I mean, how bibliography in LaTeX is actually created. So to create a bibliography, first we need a database, and then we need which type of style we are going to follow, and then at last how to cite. That is actually here citation style means actually how the things will be listed. I will demonstrate it with the examples, and then how to cite. So this basics actually steps for managing reference in LaTeX. So when we talk database, it means it is a .bib file in terms of the LaTeX. So what does it mean by .bib file? Basically, it is a bibliography file. So how a typical bibliography file is looks like, or is there any packages for creating such a bibliography file? So there are certain tools like JevRef. I will show you the demonstrations by which we can easily create a database file. What is the benefit of this database file? This database file, sorry, this database file can be used for any documents, and only those references will appear in the document which we will cite. I will explain it later. So the first step in making bibliography in LaTeX is to create a database that will be a .biv file kind of thing. So how to create a database, I'm going to explain that. So there are many ways to create a database. So how we can do that? So this is actually, we are on this phase, database of references, and we'll talk about the citation like APA, Chicago, IEEE, etc. So how we make a database? So for that, let me explain first how a BIB file looks like. So this is a typical entries for a .bib file, which is actually the database file. That database we will use for the citation purposes. So here you can see that there are two entries. One entry is at the rate article. What does it mean? It means that the content of this the reference is an article, research article. So article is a keyword, and the next one, if we see here, this is actually at the rate book. So the second reference, which so let us say we want to cite, so that is typically a book. So what are the various contents for creating a database and how we can create it? Initially, it may look cumbersome or a bit tedious how to create this, but it is very easy. I will demonstrate it to you, and also with the help of some online sources. So okay, so typically what are the fields that is actually required while creating a .bib file? So this is a common entry types we can see here. So as I show you, the first one, that is a article. The second one, book. It may be anything like I mean, in conference proceedings, it may be a PhD thesis, it may be some online web resources, some unpublished work, or whatever. So there are so many types of entries that we can make in our database. And what are the important fields? So the important fields are author, year, author, title, year, journal, volume, etc. So these are the important fields. So okay, so now let me demonstrate you how to create a database for okay. So for that, first of all, we will okay. We will create a folder. I will try put all those things in that particular folder itself. So on desktop, I have created a folder GNU LaTeX, and here we will create a database for our reference purposes. Okay, so how we can do that? So as I told, there is a dedicated softwares by which we can create that database. So one of those softwares is JabRef. So let me open the. I have already installed. It is available for all the platforms like Windows, Mac, or Linux platform. So we can. It is open source. So simply we can download it and. Sorry. Okay, it's getting open. So this is the typical look of this software. Actually, I have many reference files. So let me create one, a blank one. So this is untitled. So when we open this JabRef, so the GUI, user graphical user interface, will be look like this. So there are certain tabs. So how to create? So we can simply either we can add here say plus. So either we can make manual entries, like you see what is actually, say for article purposes, what will be the name of authors, what will be the title, journal, years. These are the actually required fields for any article. And this one is a very important, that is what we call citation key. So what does it mean by citation key? So does it mean by citation key? It means that this we need to understand what is basically citation key. So a citation key that is a unique ID. This is a unique ID for any reference material. I mean, be it article, book chapter, or a book, or whatever. So how we will identify that particular reference item? So that by using the what we call citation key. So where is that citations key, and how we make it? How we make citations key? So fine. So when we talk in terms of say research articles, so these are the, because the name of article, the general, these are the mandatory terms. So this is actually required. So here is a one more tab, that is a BibTeX resource. So you see it is showing that @article brass starting brass comma closing brass. So there's actually no entries there, but the type of entry will be article. That means it will be a research article. Fine. So now how to get it? So for that, say for example, let us go to the Google Scholar. That is actually freely available. So we can get any reference from the Google Scholar and corresponding citation also, and that we can directly import in data database. Sorry, it's taking time. So meanwhile, I can show you the contents from here itself. So for example, I have another database. So these are the database that I have created and saved it with the name this 9230 fdes.bib. So obviously this is a reference file. If we click on any of the entry, let us say for example, if you click this entry, then you can see that the name of authors are Mangal, Shiv, Mishra, OP, something like this. If you click at text, so this will be the complete entry.
Sorry, your
So
voice
at the
is
rate
breaking.
so
Screen
this
stuff.
Mangal, sorry,
Sorry to
Hello?
interrupt, sir.
am I audible?
Am I audible?
Sir, you're
Am I
audible, but
properly audible now?
You're audible now?
सर इसका सर्टिफिकेट भी मिलेगा हेलो हेलो
Fine. So
जी सर इसका सर्टिफिकेट भी
let us
मिलेगा क्या
Let us.
you can ask these questions
You can
after
ask
the
these
session.
questions after the session.
सर इसका सर्टिफिकेट भी मिलेगा
Who is
Hello?
asking this question?
Yes, in this question.
सर ये क्वेश्चन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से पूछना पड़ेगा, आप यहाँ गलत जगह क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं।
Okay, fine. Am I audible right now properly?
Yes,
आवाज
you
proper
are
नहीं आ
audible.
रही है
Okay.
it's breaking a lot.
Sorry. Fine. Actually, I am on weather is actually right now.
Sir, your voice is clear.
Anyway. Okay, fine, sir. So if you go on Google Scholar, so just go to the setting, and here we can see that there are two options. The first option is don't show any citation link, and this one by default don't is clicked. So just show links to import citation into BibTeX. There are other options as well, like EndNote, RefMan, RefWorks. So we will just focus on BibTeX because it is actually used in LaTeX documents. So I saved this one. And then there are certain articles. So here we can see that import into BibTeX. Say for example, this is a research article, and through this research article, just we click here, import into BibTeX. So here you will see that all the entries are there. So this okay. So let me just copy it, and we will paste into the untitled. Actually, the we have created this this one. So where so the question where to paste. So either we can paste from here itself. That is, if you put here, then paste is a showing. Otherwise, just remember this BibTeX resource. So just I am just overwriting here and just pressing Ctrl S save this database. So first time it will ask for the reference. So let us save this here, my ref. My ref. Obviously, the extension for this file will be .bib. So bibliography database is actually here created with the name my, and it contains. So I am closing. It contains only one article. That one content that is actually an article. So fine. So in this way, we can create a bib actually bib item, and here you see
Dr.
that
Govind.
this one. So that is yes.
Yeah, your voice
Hello.
is cracking actually. I think, your voice is cracking. I think there is some issue from the network.
Let me try to connect through another.
Yes, sure.
Yes, sir. Please continue.
Mathur sir?
Yes.
Sir,
Hello.
could you please...
You may go, please.
Sorry. Mathur sir, could you please share the programs that the previous... Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. In the group. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Dr. Govind, please, you can continue.
Yes. Okay. Sorry, actually, by mistake, I was connected through mobile hotspot. So sorry for the inconvenience. So I have connected to broadband right now. Fine. I hope now I may be proper audible.
Yes, you are.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. So here, as I was showing that this is one of the entries for the article, and this term is very important. So that what we call bib key. So using this bib key, we can cite a document. And okay, fine. So before going further, so let me collect few more articles or few more entries for this one. Say. Some book introduction to say dynamical system. So it should be a book something with the. So you see here there is a book introduction to dynamical system. We can go through this. You will see that there are all 5 versions. There is a caution that the entries of the Google Scholar may not be perfect. So we have to look it carefully, and if needed, we have to insert some missing data. Say for example, here it is showing a book title, author, year, and publisher. So the basic informations regarding the book is actually already available here. So here we can create one more item. So this time I am just pressing this one, the paste options, and you see there is one more item came here. So let me again save it. So just with these 2 entries, so one is an article, another is a book. So let us try to make a simple or small latex file and try to implement this. Okay, so as I told, there are various packages as well for the reference management. One is a NetBib, another is a BibLatex for American Mathematical Society, MSRefs, and so on. So one has to, each one has their own merits and demerits. So one has to choose wisely. And so NetBib is actually the little bit older one. I mean, that is fine. So, okay. So how we make citations. So this is actually for BibLatex. BibLatex is actually a little bit recent. So rather than I will demonstrate it with the help of NetBib. Fine. So let me create a LaTeX document where we will use this. Fine. So instead of instead of writing everything, let me copy something so that we will move it faster way. So we have a document class, say report. We have used some packages, and we just want to use one more package. That package, sorry. that package will be simply netbib. Fine. So we have to store that, save that text document as your in today's you might have understood. So this is actually my sample bib. Fine. So here, okay. So what is the next command? Anyone? Any guess? So the next command will be simply begin document and end document, and here we can use our citations. So how to cite those data, that we need to understand. So before that, so here one thing is that we have used the package say netbib, and we also need to mention the bibliography. So how we can mention the bibliography? So again, I am just copying and pasting. So okay, perfectly fine. Let me delete this one. So I will explain each and everything here. So what is this bibliography style and what is this file name? So as we see, the name of our reference file, you can see here the reference LaTeX bibliography file is myref. So here we will simply change file name myref. So here it is, we don't need to put the .bib. So myref and anything. So this is how to cite an article. So what is the simply command for citing an article? So cite is a key, and within this brace we just insert the bib key. So we have one article, and what is the bib key we need to understand. So here we can see that it is a Sahu 2015 Dynamics. So either we can copy this, or there are some smarter way. We can directly Control K, or some shortcuts are there. So this in this way, just we have okay. Here the I will explain what is the meaning of this plan, and then some more advanced techniques. So I'm just PDF textifying it. So when you are using say PDF LaTeX, so you need to run it first PDF LaTeX, then bib LaTeX, then 2 times more PDF LaTeX, then only the final output will be generated. You can see here from the this. So okay. So without error, this is how to cite an article. Here it is showing 1, and this bibliography is automatically generated. So this is a simple demonstrations how we can insert a bibliography, and then there may be, so here you see that here it is actually showing say 1. So instead of this number, we may want author year or some other kind of that is actually citation style. That can be done just by changing this one, what we call this is actually bibliography style. So what does it mean by bibliography style? So actually when we communicate some research paper to some articles or something, then each journal have their own specific way of referencing the things. Say for example, if say I just want to say cite this particular, then you see that there are various versions of how to cite this. So what is this MLA? So MLA is one type of citations where like a full name of the authors is given. APA, it has abbreviations like South.G.P, Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver. So these are the standard actually referencing styles. So these referencing styles, depending on the situations, we can use. Similarly, each journal, say for example, if we say refer to the elsewhere, that is Science Direct, then that is called bibliography style for Elsevier. So here we will get okay, let me not show from I will show it from somewhere else. So you can see that either we can it may be author year or numeric or alphanumeric kind of thing. So I can demonstrate you various referencing style that we can use for the change of the referencing style. Say I have a like a BST file. So those referencing style are stored in a file name that is called BST file. So I have say stored, these are the various BST files I have stored here. So like alpha. So this is article num. This is actually Elsevier. So you can download it from the website from where you are working, like the general or the, you can choose anyone. So say for example, if we want say this one, okay, IEEE, this one. So what we need to do, and we need to do this, we should copy this and paste into that particular folder. So that particular BST file, that is actually the style file, that should be present there. And we just need to copy the name of that style file, and then we can change here. Right now it was plain, so instead of the plain style file, I am just writing IEEE TR. So that is a one kind of referencing style. So again, I am running this. Okay, so you might be wondering what is the change. So there is actually the change in this style. Sometimes the general's names may be in italics, sometimes the year may be somewhere else. So that style is actually decided by the style file, what we call the .bst file. Fine. So this is how we do with the that is actually what we call netbib files. Perfect. So instead of net, so what are the other things which we can we should take care of the while using this netbib package? So if you want more details regarding what are the other options or what are the other commands related to some particular referencing package, you should refer the manual. So here, like as I have told you, so we have used the package netbib, and how to compile that. If you compile manually, are using so PDF LaTeX, then bib text, PDF LaTeX to, and then to time PDF LaTeX. So this is a classical way of sorry. So what is the minimal setup? So as we told that this bibliography style is like PlanNet, AbbreviateNet, UnstratNet. So you can choose according to your
So
choice.
please explain little bit slow. It is becoming so fast.
Oh, sorry. Okay, fine. So let me ask you what you understood from up to this point. So we have just created a simple reference, I mean a simple just one line text, and here we have used this one citations. So how to cite is actually the step one is to create a database, that what we call .bib file. That is step number one. Step number two is to use the package. What package we are using? So right now we are using one package, what we call. So let me write. So in step one, we created a database, that is myref.bib. Next one, we choose style. So earlier it was plain in when we first time run the code, and later on what we used, sorry, IEEE TR. So IEEE TR. So there are so many such. So what is the extension of this style file? This is all .bst file. So the extension for style files is .bst file. How to cite? So for that citations, the simple command is cite and bib key. Cite and bib key. So where we can find this bib key? So this is actually, as I told, this citation key or the bib key, that is the unique identity for that particular article or particular item in our bibliography database. So as we see here, so let us now try to cite the next one. That is okay. So how if we right click, then you can see there are so many options. Like in copy, say copy citation key, or simply copy citation key with configure cite command. The shortcut is Control K. So I'm just clicking Control K, and you see that this thing is automatically copied. So now I am writing one more sentence. So here, this is a book on dynamical system. So I just pasted. So /site BRIN 2002. So this is actually the unique key by which we can identify that database. So that is here in this case, it is a book. Is it clear? So let me again run code. Sorry. What is the author year citations? Okay. NetBib bibliography not compatible with author year citations. So there might be some missing item, or we can choose the referencing style. Let us see once more. So here we have author, here we have year, and publisher, and the title of the system. So okay. So there are many other options for the NetBib as well. Okay, either we can try to forcefully run this, then see what happens. So let me run this and see the output. So what you will find that whenever there is a mistake, so one question mark will be created, just like in the case of ref and label and ref. Fine. Let me delete the past records and then again try to. So what is actually it may be okay. Continue numerical citation. Press return to continue numerical style citations. If I press enter, then it will continue numerical style. So but there is a problem. So fine. Let me change this style file. Let us say, let me choose ILS article num. This is actually the Elsevier style of referencing. Okay. So let me copy the name of this bibliography style file and replace with this randomly chosen what is IEEE TR. So I have chosen the bibliography style to be the so number. So fine. Let me let me copy few more citations. Then so instead of downloading to save the time, I am just copying few randomly entries. Just I copied and put here. Fine. And let me choose this two. So just I am pressing Control K. So that is copied into the clipboard, and just let me paste here. Cite more than one reference, a comma between the two